Okay, so for installing the gas block, this is the gas port here, and you can always check to see how your gas block will line up if you turn your gas block backwards and slide it into place. Typically works better if you don't have the gas tube in. But anyway, this hole goes right in line with the gas port hole, and you can see exactly where it needs to line up as far as your spacing goes, right? How far you need to bring it back this way, or how close you need to be to the shoulder. Now this Hodge barrel is pinned, so kind of takes the guessing out of it for me. So I get to just slide this in and then pound this pin into place, which I will go ahead and do right now. Alright, so we went ahead and gave it a few extra whacks. Tell you what, Hodge does not mess around, man. But doesn't look the prettiest, but we got her in. So now it's time to install the rail. Luckily this rail is super easy to install. Literally just slides it right into place over the barrel nut. And then right here, move these out of the way. We have these two guys, and these just go on either side. Like so. And then screw these into place. And also these need to be torqued to 45 inch-pounds, and I'm just going to end up using this small torque wrench. I think it's made by Orca Tools. I ended up getting it at Brownells, but I have it set up for 45 inch-pounds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten these in place to that. That one's good. And I'll just do the other one. So now, this is all set and all good to go. The last thing is to install the muzzle device.